Today you'll learn how to multiply two binomials using FOIL. A binomial is an expression with two terms, like x plus 3. FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, last, and it helps organize the distributive property. Example 1. Multiply x plus 3 times x plus 5. First, x times x equals x squared. Outer, x times 5 equals 5x. Inner, 3 times x equals 3x. Last, 3 times 5 equals 15. Now write all four products together. X squared plus 5x plus 3x plus 15. Combine like terms. Since 5x and 3x both have x to the first, they combine to make 8x. Final answer, x squared plus 8x plus 15. Example 2. Multiply 2x minus 1 times x plus 4. First, 2x times x equals 2x squared. Outer, 2x times 4 equals 8x. Inner, negative 1 times x equals negative x. Last, negative 1 times 4 equals negative 4. Write the products. 2x squared plus 8x minus x minus 4. Combine like terms to get 2x squared plus 7x minus 4.